Hello friends, welcome to my channel of a stock selection. The stock which I have selected today for showing a good quality trade setup being built up is of Amara Raja batteries. The chart which I have opened over here is on a weekly time frame basis, and the pattern which I am going to show is a descending channel breakout on the upper side. First of all, let's see how does a descending channel breakout on the upper side looks like. If you see this drawing, this shows a descending channel breakout on the upper side. As we can see, this is the lower channel and this is the upper channel, and the stock is continuously trading within this channel, and finally it has to break out. After breakout, when it comes back or retraces, the upper channel, which was acting as a resistance earlier, should give a good support, and the stock should again rebound from here, confirming this channel descending channel breakout. Coming back to our stock under analysis is of Amara Raja batteries. As we can see that the stock since 2015, the stock was trading in this range, which is supported by this green color, and the resistance is being shown by this red color line, forming a good channel. And the stock was continuously getting a resistance over here, getting a support on this lower channel, getting a resistance, getting a support, and was continuously coming down and down. So it's a descending channel, as you can correlate with the drawing earlier. Then finally the stock, it breaks out at this place and passes off this line of resistance. Then to confirm this breakout, the stock has to go up, and while retracement, it has to test the same line of upper line, the same line which was acting as a resistance should now act as a support, and we can see this happening over here. As you can see that this line has given a good support and the stock is now coming up. So this is a confirmation of a descending channel breakout on the upside. Now if someone is willing to take a trade on the shorting side in Amara Raja batteries, will face more chances of losing compared to gaining. So we should now be optimistic in Amara Raja batteries rather than thinking of shorting it. Now to see a good quality trade setup on the higher side, it should also meet some more criteria, like a formation of a higher highs and a higher low. As we can see from the lowest low in the month of March 2020, the stock has formed a higher highs continuously, and while retracement, it has formed a low which is much more higher than the previous low from where it started the journey. So it's confirmed the pattern of a higher highs and a higher lows. Also in the recent time, we can see the stock is on a short term trend, also is on a higher highs and a higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. To form a good quality trade setup, we should also confirm that whether the stock has respected its support and resistance line. So we can see the first of all the stock has taken a support on this red line, which was acting as a resistance earlier. So it's a trend line support. Also, the stock has taken a support on the horizontal line, which was acting earlier as a resistance over here. The same resistance line acted as a support. It acted as a support, acted as a resistance, and in the very recent time, the same horizontal line has acted as a support when the price was coming down from the upside. So yes, the stock has respected the support. Is there a change in the candlestick formation? Let's see. If you see from here, when the stock was in a downtrend, we can see that the number of red color candles are more, not only more, they are bigger in sizes compared to the green color candles. We can see the green color candles are lesser in number and also smaller in sizes compared to the red color candle, which are more and bigger in sizes. But Now in the recent time we can see the stock is having more number of green candles continuously and lesser number of red candles. If you see this side, we have more number of red candles while the stock was retracing back. But after this trend change, we can see now the candlestick pattern has formed a more greener candle and lesser number of red candles. So we can expect the price to go up from here in this manner, and we should be careful now to sell Amara Raja batteries or short it. Rather, we should look for a trade on the long side. Also, if we just correlate this change in the chart pattern with the market outlook, as we know and have been hearing about, that lots of push is being given on the electrification of vehicles, on the sources of renewable energies, and as a result all this conversion from a conventional source of energy to the electrical energy would require the use of batteries for the storage of power. And Amara Raja is one of the second largest manufacturer of batteries in India after Exide Industries and also in market capitalization. So so it's a good setup being formed which we can correlate with the market. So the market sentiments are positive on the batteries and also the stock is reflecting the same. So it confirms our good quality trade setup being built in Amara Raja batteries on the long side. Hope you like this demonstration of trend reversal. If you like it, please press the subscribe button and hit the like button. Thank you for the watching of videos.